Hello everyone, welcome back to your English coach. I'm so excited that you're joining me today. In this lesson, we'll be learning 40 essential daily English words you can use every day. These words will help you in simple conversations, from shopping to chatting with friends. This lesson is perfect for beginners, so don't worry. We'll go slow and practice pronunciation together. Ready? Let's get started. Let's start with 10 of the most commonly used daily English words. I'll say each word, explain what it means, and then give you an example sentence. After that, you can repeat after me to practice your pronunciation. 1. Morning. The time of day from sunrise until noon. Example. Good morning. How did you sleep? Repeat after me. Morning. 2. Eat. To put food in your mouth and chew it. Example. I'm going to eat breakfast now. Repeat after me. Eat. 3. Drink. To take in liquid through your mouth. Example. Can I drink some water, please? Repeat after me. Drink. 4. Work. The activity you do to earn money or complete a task. Example. I have to work today from 9 to 5. Repeat after me. Work. 5. Home. The place where you live. Example. I'm going home after work. Repeat after me. Home. 6. Friend. A person you like and spend time with. Example. My best friend and I are going to the park. Repeat after me. Friend. 7. Shop. To buy things from a store. Example. I need to shop for some groceries. Repeat after me. Shop. 8. Sleep. To rest by lying down with your eyes closed, usually at night. Example. I sleep for 8 hours every night. Repeat after me. Sleep. 9. Hot. Having a high temperature. Example. It's so hot outside today. Repeat after me. Hot. 10. Cold. Having a low temperature. Example. It's cold today, I need a jacket. Repeat after me. Cold. 11. Happy. Feeling good or positive. Example. I'm happy because it's a sunny day. Repeat after me. Happy. 12. Sad. Feeling down or unhappy. Example. I feel sad when it rains all day. Repeat after me. Sad. 13. Help. To assist someone. Example. Can you help me with my homework? Repeat after me. Help. 14. Busy. Having many things to do. Example. I'm busy today, but I can meet you tomorrow. Repeat after me. Busy. 15. Ready. Prepared to do something. Example. I'm ready to go out now. Repeat after me. Ready. 16. Tired. Feeling like you need rest. Example. I'm tired after a long day of work. Repeat after me. Tired. 17. New. Recently made or bought. Example. I got a new phone yesterday. Repeat after me. New. 18. Old. Having existed for a long time. Example. This is my old jacket, but I still love it. Repeat after me. Old. 19. Easy. Not difficult. Example. This homework is easy for me. Repeat after me. Easy. 20. Hard. Difficult to do. Example. Learning a new language can be hard, but it's fun. Repeat after me. Hard. 21. Fast. Moving or doing something quickly. Example. He runs very fast. Repeat after me. Fast. 22. Slow. Moving or doing something at a low speed. Example. The car is going slow in traffic. Repeat after me. Slow. 23. Clean. Free from dirt or mess. Example. I need to clean my room today. Repeat after me. Clean. 24. Dirty. Covered with dirt or not clean. Example. My shoes are dirty from walking in the mud. Repeat after me. Dirty. 25. Big. Large in size. Example. That building is very big. Repeat after me. Big. 26. Small. Little in size. Example. My dog is small and cute. Repeat after me. Small. 27. Hot. With a high temperature. Example. The coffee is too hot to drink. Repeat after me. Hot. 28. Cold. With a low temperature. Example. I need a blanket because it's cold outside. Repeat after me. Cold. 29. Near. Close to something or someone. Example. The store is near my house. Repeat after me. Near. 30. Far. A long distance away. Example. The park is far from here. Repeat after me. Far. 31. Open. To not be closed. Example. The store is open now. Repeat after me. Open. 32. Close. To make something not open. Example. Please close the door. Repeat after me. Close. 33. Full. Containing as much as possible. Example. My glass is full of water. Repeat after me. Full. 34. Empty. Containing nothing. Example. The fridge is empty. I need to go shopping. Repeat after me. Empty. 35. Light. Not heavy or easy to carry. Example. This bag is light. Repeat after me. Light. 36. Heavy. Having a lot of weight. Example. This box is too heavy to lift. Repeat after me. Heavy. 37. Easy. Not difficult. Example. This puzzle is easy to solve. Repeat after me. Easy. 38. Hard. Difficult to do or understand. Example. Math can be hard, but it's important. Repeat after me. Hard. 39. Old. Something that has been around for a long time. Example. This book is very old. Repeat after me. Old. 40. New. Something recent or modern. Example. I just bought a new car. Repeat after me. New.
Let's review. Let's review the 20 words we learned today. Morning. Eat. Drink. Work. Home. Friend. Shop. Sleep. Hot. Cold. Happy. Sad. Help. Busy. Ready. Tired. New. Old. Easy. Hard. Keep practicing these words, and soon you'll be able to use them in conversations with confidence. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you, and subscribe for more lessons. Comment below which word you'll use today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.